Hello there, Escambia County teachers. Have you ever wondered how the formative assessments look for your students in Mastery Connect? Well, wonder no more with this week's Byte of Tech, sneak peek student preview of Mastery Connect assessments. Using the student preview before the students take the assessment allows the teacher to plan and focus their instruction. Teachers will be aware of what students need to know and be able to do before the assessment. Teachers can use the student preview after the assessment with their students to address any misconceptions to help students replace incorrect ideas with accurate ones. So, let's get started. Open your Canvas course, click Manage Subject in the top left, then select Mastery Tracker from the course navigation. Once there, select the Assessments tab. Then, from the drop-down menu, select List View. Click the three vertical dots to the right of the assessment that you would like to preview. From the drop-down menu, select Student Preview. In the Student Preview, you can answer each question as your student would. You can navigate the test using the forward arrow, the backwards arrow. You can pause the test, resume the test. You can put the test in full screen, exit full screen. Use the accessibility tools where students can change the color scheme, adjust the font size, and get keyboard shortcuts to zoom. The student preview also gives information like the item type, the standards for that question, the point value for each question. For the teacher, there is a restart which will reset the student preview. The close view will close the entire tab. To finish the test, click Finish. Then click Yes. Your score will be displayed. You can choose to click the Done button, or from the top right corner, click the X to close the student preview. So please remember, Student Preview is only available on assessments that are not in benchmarking mode. Clicking Restart will reset the student preview for the teacher. Clicking Close View will close the entire tab, not just the student preview window. To exit the preview, use the X in the top right corner or submit the test. Thanks for watching. Please fill out our content request form so we can make videos that are just for you. And this has been a Tech Tip in a Flash.